This is my magnum opus.
Good morning, just over at this job over there, well in between Knightley and Skipton. Just having a word with tree lads there, they're just chopping all trees down for us and bushes. So yeah, it's coming on well as this job. I've just been with Carl on another site, working out a load of crank posts and whatnot. I think it is solid that, and that big bucket is solid down there, you can see that, but yeah. So yeah, they're cracking on here. They're just going to carry on with fencing, and then should be done here Wednesday, I think. Well, I do like them vans. Yeah, I'm going to take these big barriers down. Yeah.
You got a look at that all, man.
Yeah. Might have to widen that, might you? It's getting thinner and thinner.
Well, it was corny off as
Yeah.
we were doing it. We were getting stuck.
Just make sure we keep scanning it.
We've measured curves out.
No, I didn't think. I thought we'd just get it. So with this drop bolt in there, maybe will we? I bet it's not far off, do you? Yeah. Get that.
The other gate.
Get them as low as we can. Yeah.
That's central at Papa.
Well, that's sound then, isn't it? Yeah. Easier now. I've just told him to lob them bushes out, Jamie.
So what we're going to do as well, Mark, is we're going to set the posts. Hang them in a couple of days, let them cure. Not big yet.
Well.
They can stay in, can't they?
Just going to put a bag of mix in the corner over there.
Yeah, I was going to say, don't leave it open. Somebody found me. Run a look we're having lately. Well, that's when they were phoning up about your car.
Same place as yours.
Yeah, I think you've left it stuck out, so they were struggling to get out. Well, he said it's stuck out, that's all. He said, anyway, he's got out now, so panic over. But I said, well, that's what I said. I said, I always park there. He said, no, he said, he's got out. It was alright, yeah, I think it's a bit jiver being a Doylan, but.
So we're just finishing these last bits up now, free paling it all. Jamie's going to go down and snap it off. So tomorrow all we've got is this little section to put in here. It's about 6 bays, and then obviously all this needs paling as well. So we'll get all this done. Yeah, looking good. So this is the front main road side of things. And we're going down. And these two arguing. And get gates and go. And then these big gates will be coming on. Looking good. So here we are. Already been here a while, just getting a quick video. Yeah, alt front's getting put in now. So I'm just going along paling. Lads are just digging the other side. I think they've just finished the other side. Around about 11 o'clock. So that one there, what's missing, just needs drilling. You can see I already loaded out the bays. Get them in. Come down. And Baggy's just sorting these corners out now, and then they've already dug this bit in, so it's just a case of getting a couple of pails on and railing now, and now we're out of here.
And busy. I can just see Justin's just got back on cameras actually, I think he picked some gear up. I just want to have a little belter. Quite warm is that, it's not quite on full settling. I would imagine electric's bad with it, but it does take the, so it gets cold in here in winter. Sting out of the air, shall we say. Let's just go see how Justin's getting on. Lads took big breaker over this morning and couldn't get it started. Luckily we've got sort of an in-house mechanic with Charlie, he's gone over, and as I suspected it was low on oil, so it's a safety cut-out switch. But according to the lads, no, it's not that. It's never been serviced, everybody else's fault as usual, you know. Just a simple thing really, you know, a bit of oil in it, check it. Yeah. Easy to blame somebody else, isn't it? But anyway, yeah, that's that. So Justin's just unloading that. We've got palisade for a job that they're doing Friday. That's normal digging. The gates bolt down, I believe, and then there's some mesh for it, which is bolt down. Been there, have you seen bolts? Look at Mickey Mouse bolts.
I know, I said that to him.
Flipping heck. Not impressed with them.
Tiny, aren't they?
Tiny? Flipping heck.
Yeah, but look at holes on them. Tiny as well. You get it all through it.
I wonder if we should drill it. What? Oh, which post?
No, they didn't have base plates on. So I got it on van, I was like, they're meant to have base plates, so doing that now, so when I pick up panels, they'll be ready to go.
So there'll only be little pins as well, then, won't
Yeah,
they? They're a bit small, them, aren't they?
tiny, aren't they?
I'm going to say we could drill them, but then they'll be too big for them, won't they?
Tiny them as well.
Yeah, well, at least it's only 1.8, innit? It's only 1.8, a small gate, it'll do, but we just like to normally beef our stuff up a bit, but anyway. So yeah, I shall leave him at that, and he's going back again. He couldn't get it all on. A bit of weight on there. Bet there was a bit of weight on that, wasn't there? No, he probably did the right thing. Probably could have got it all in one, but don't want to be overloading, not these days. It's just not worth the risk. Didn't actually that much on, but it ain't. They don't hardly weigh out, to be honest. But yeah, he's going to go back there now and get rest of what we need, because that's a job for them Friday, and he picked up actually a couple of rails and posts, I believe, for a little repair that we're going to do Thursday afternoon.
So guys, another job done. Well, apart from the gates were a bit of a nightmare on this one, but we'll get it done. Won't take too long. Our Clint down there. So yeah, this is the job so far. Obviously you've seen all the backhaul in previous videos. It's all bolted off, screwed up, snapped off. So all we've got to do tomorrow is come back with the gates. This leafy is going to be a bifolding gate. This one will just be a full gate, open up, and then we'll just palisade this one here. We're going to cut these out, these big barriers that they've got left. And yeah, job's a good one. It's not looking bad at all. This is what it looks like when you have no security to being absolutely boxed in by palisade. Yeah, very good fence in this. Look at that. And smooth lines around top. All looking very beautiful. So this is 2 metre high palisade galved with a single gate and a bifolding double gate. Yeah, I hope you all enjoy, and see you tomorrow. Right, moment of truth, see if this gate fits.
Yeah.
If it don't fit, we're all off home.
Off to Witherspoon.
And that's the firm to ring when you want a job doing properly. Beautiful. So we'll get these all closed up. Lads are just loading up the other van now, so once they come out we'll get these closed and let you see how they work.
Right, let's open them.
Good morning, how are we doing? Been not busy, forgot to come on camera, but look who we've got in the house today.
Hello.
My big little brother. Although he's sporting a grey beard, he's worse than me these days. Showing your age there, Paul.
Papa Smurf, apparently.
Papa Smurf. Mine's totally grey, that's why I don't grow one, but yeah, he's come to help me with my marketing. Yeah, see what cameras are out there. Can't wait to get them back on. In fact, we're moving cabins next week, so that's the right task. Just been explaining to Paul my moves, but yeah, he's helping me with websites, SEO and stuff like that, and obviously builds websites for us, so yeah, we shall get on and we'll catch you later. Look at this, sunshine, lovely now. We're absolutely freezing earlier, I've had to have heating on all morning in there. It's fantastic here in sun. Forecast really bad next week, really cold and even snowbird. I hope not, because we're going to clear that cabin there. He's got to get moved to there somehow, so I just hope it ain't all slippy and thing. But anyway, we've got the panels for next week. Hard at work here, look. Putting Jacob cutting here. So these are mesh ones you're doing, yeah?
Yeah.
Bolt down mesh ones we've got for the job.
Plates to come from laser cutters.
Yeah, they're nice. And then we were just chatting about extending your little workshop here, Carl, weren't we? Coming out here a little bit, and
We've got some big gates to do, haven't we?
Yeah, got some big gates, so just needs to extend it out that way and out this way a little bit, which obviously we'll move all that once we've moved that, hopefully next week. Transfer some of that over there.
Thinking full table in this corner.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Get a full size snooker table in here now, won't we? Yeah, yeah, you would. Yeah, you might get them rubber mats, wouldn't you? But yeah, so hopefully that'll all be good, and then we'll transfer those water buckets over there to down there. So yeah, I shall leave it at that for now.
Here we are then, Baggy's about to start putting it out. These two bays coming out, that post coming out, it's going to get straightened up. Yep, let's get on with it.
This guy's here now. We've been on this all an hour and a half. Whoever's hit this post has saved their life because they've gone through there. Literally, I can't get it out. Lad's f***ing van on it. So he's going to get his extensions on here and try and get this tab under here. Then we've got this one to dig out. The pull cord is on its last pull. So if we can't get that out, we're going to have to air fence it off.
346 minutes later.
Justin on his way, he's going down galvanisers. Carl and his lad Jacob, they're going on a private domestic job he's got. He's going there, I'm going to have to rush home, so I've got a load of spray getting delivered. There's nobody in, so I'm going to have to rush back there. But yeah, it's Friday, it's cold, although it's forecast snow and everything next week, so that'll be a cold one. But yeah, I think that's it for this week. I'm actually going away, I had my haircut, look. Going away today to the lake, so I hope it doesn't snow. Setting off just after dinner, so I will call it there. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.